Bam. Put him right there. Got that big block out here. He done brought that big block out here, y'all. Want everybody to see that old big block. Ooh, got the wheels too, y'all. Got the wheels too. What else you see it got, man? Is it a stroker motor in there? What size? What motor you think in there? It got them big wheels on there.
I can't speak on top of live.
Yeah.
Let's put too much information out.
Oh, it's too much information.
His rims clean, they one-offs.
Okay, he like that.
Clean one-off. Motor undisclaimed.
Okay, nice rims and steering wheel. Okay.
Car costs about $2,000.
Okay, car costs $2,000. What about the paint? That come $2,000 come with good paint and pinstripe and all that. Oh, that's extra.
That's extra.
Okay, what about that hood? You seen the double hood? You know they done went up.
Oh man, he just stole that bitch off somebody.
Yeah. They say them damn things that done went up.
That cow hood, so you can't see shit while you driving.
Yeah. No, that's the bubble one. You can see it. Yeah. Yeah, gone all the way back. Okay. All right. Morning. It's Dave from the UK. What's up, Dave from the UK? We got Dave from the UK. Somebody told me they thought they were Playboy G's. Them look like them wheels. Oh, all the boats on the drive. She kept checking. Oh, she keep checking. Look out. My bad, y'all. My bad. I turned the mic off on accident. My bad. I don't know how I did that. Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking. I've been wondering if I should put some 22s on the Caprice. I've been thinking about putting some 22. Make sure that Bluetooth off. Yeah, we out of Dallas. Yeah, you got that Power Glide in there. Hey, look out, if y'all want to check it out in HD, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out. I got a whole bunch of people ready to message y'all. Cordy 42 Cocktail Hammer. What kind of drinks he be drinking? Anthony Vieira 4. They letting you put 22s for the rim racing over here for the Whip Fest. They got the Texas Whip Fest coming up. Gonna have the Texas Whip Fest coming up, y'all. Oh, we got somebody from South Africa, Cape Town. It's 6 a.m. over there. Hey man, what you eat? You finna eat or you finna go to sleep after this? What's his name? Some Summer, Diane. Boy, you got a Schroeder. Boy, you got a name on you, boy. Okay, right lane for the win, right lane for the win. Hey, once anybody from TikTok get over here to my YouTube channel, y'all let me know. That way I give you a shout out. We got RC Drag Racing channel. Am I gonna be at XRP this weekend? I don't know. I think it's $10 to get in up here, y'all. Oh, we got. Circle the light. Left lane for the win. We got Kevin M from TikTok, he wanna be, and Jesus Ibarra from TikTok. Look out, look out. Oh snap, Esperanza. What? She said, where the me? Hey, Bianchi, you need to message me. Esperanza, message me through Facebook or something. Get my number. Some message me. I need a message from you. She talking about I need to